Hi, so what I got here is the new Sonicare 4100 and the old Series 2, and what I want to do is compare these side by side and give you some of the differences in the features. So you could see, as far as the physical appearance, that the 4100, and the official name of the 4100 is actually the Protective Clean 4100. So you could see right away that it is a lot thinner. And the reason why it's a lot thinner is that this is powered by a lithium battery. So this, on the other hand, is a nickel hybrid. So you could see just how much wider it is. And this one is similarly weighted. So there is no difference there. Now, as far as how long it lasts, both of these on the website has these advertised as 2 weeks, but I find in my experience with the 4100 it lasts 4 to 5 weeks simply because it is a lithium battery. Now, as far as the features and functionalities, the brush head looks similar, but in fact they are actually different. So the old Series 2 uses the Pro Result brush head, while this particular 4100 uses the C2 Optimal Plaque Control brush head. And the reason for that is that the 4100 actually has a pressure sensor. So if you're brushing harder or if you're applying a lot more pressure to your gums or to your teeth, the 4100 will actually detect it, and there will be a different sensation. There will be a different vibration movement, and it actually slows down so that it doesn't damage your teeth. So that is one very nice feature of the new 4100. Now the 4100 is supposed to be sort of like the new flagship. It's supposed to replace the old Series 2. So you know, if you're out shopping for, you know, a very base model Sonicare, the 4100 would be it. Now this one still runs on sale between 60 to 70 bucks, while the Series 2 nowadays you could get it on eBay pretty cheaply for, you know, $35. Now the cleaning, there really is not too much of a difference in the cleaning. Now just to give you a close-up here, just so you could see a little bit better, I'm going to rotate it, and so you could see the difference in the thickness. Now everything else is similar, and it's very hard to tell unless you sort of put it in your mouth and actually feel the sensations. So I'm just going to turn both of them on, and you could see even vibration wise they're very similar. And as far as the features, both of them have the 2-minute timer with the, you know, 30 seconds in between, you know, for the different 4 quadrants that you're going to brush. And stroke wise they're also the same. You know, for the beginner portion it's going to have 31,000 strokes, and normally it runs at 62,000 strokes. Now just one by one, I'm just gonna zoom in here, give you a look. And same with this Sonicare Series 2. And they both have the same type of chargers here, so there's really no difference there. But that's really it. That's really what I wanted to show, and I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.